That was a hawk. That's a woodpecker. I found a bike jump. Woo! I went down it on my board. It wasn't very easy, but still fun. They're not made for dirt, you know, on purpose. So I should have expected such. Anywho, I'm gonna keep having fun. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna post a video for the full moon zodiac tarot. Chippy Cheeky.